say hi to all you guys. Thank you so much for coming to the show tonight. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. This has been incredible. I don't know, I'm sure you can tell by now, but I'm sick as a fucking dog. It's some kind of curse. Every time I play at home in LA, I have the worst cold on the planet. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sing, and I'm gonna sing, and I'm gonna sing so fucking hard I can't talk tomorrow. How about that? And if it's not perfect, well, like my good buddy Irving Azoff says, you can blow me. If I choke on this cough drop, will somebody please come and resuscitate me?
Come on, I gotta try to get this.
You saved my life too. I love you as well.
Can't tell that he's sick.
No matter how many times it's told me you wanted to leave.
Look at how close I can get.
No matter how many breaths you took, you still couldn't breathe. No matter how many nights that you lie wide awake to the sound of the pouring rain. Where did you go? Where did you go? Days go by.
Can you see my camera?
Hands on fire. Tell me what you kill to save a life. Tell me what you kill to prove you're right. Crash, crash. Hurricanes chasing us all underground.
Sounds amazing.
No matter how many days that I die, I'll never forget. No matter how many lives I live, I will never regret. There is a fire inside a riot bound to explode in a
It's hard to hold
flame.
that
Where is your
still.
God?
My left.
Where is your God?
I can't use my right.
Where is your God?
God, listen to his voice. This is his voice.
Do you really want? Do you really want me? Dead or alive to torture for my sins? Do you